Hi, friends. I want to share with you a writing lesson. So, I wrote about being an upstander. So, this ties directly in with our work around recognizing racism, knowing racism, and calling it out. And that's what we talked about in small group this past week. And we are going to continue learning about Black and Brown people. And also, we are going to continue learning about inclusion. So, being welcome as part of a group. And today, I really wanted to talk about being an upstander. So, I decided to tie that into our learning about how to write all about books. So, remember, all about books are you writing about something you're an expert on. So, I'm an upstander. And that means I speak up when I recognize racism or I hear racism or in another derogatory, unjust thing that is said or done. So today I filled out a can, have, are chart for being an upstander. And I wrote can, help others, can, speak up to racism, have, upstanders have compassion, a voice, upstanders are community members. They are important to keeping people safe and they are responsible. So I'm going to take those words and I'm going to write an all about book. I wrote All About Being an Upstander by Miss PG. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write in can. An upstander can. And then I'm going to go back to my can, have, are. I wrote help others. So that's exactly what I'm going to write. An upstander can help, oops, can help others. Let me get rid of this one. Sorry. An upstander can help others. Period. An upstander. So I'm going to continue using that same sentence. Start, sentence frame, an upstander can speak. I wrote, let me go back and check. I think I wrote speak up to racism. Speak up to racism. So that's what I'm going to write. So this, the can have are chart really helps me think about what I'm going to write. An upstander can speak up to racism. Oh, period. And so now I have my can. I could add a picture if I want, but now I'm going to go to R. R is also is. So an upstander, if it's plural or singular. So in this case, we're talking about one person who's an upstander. So we would use is, and upstander is, and I got to go back to my chart again. So this is how I'm using my chart. Oh, whoops. I made a mistake. This is actually going to go here. So I'm going to write here, I'm going to write an upstander has, which is past tense of have, it already happened, has compassion. An upstander has compassion. And an upstander, I gotta go back, has a voice. has a voice. So see how I'm using my sentence stem and upstander, and then I'm using the can, have, are chart. That's what you're going to do this week to write your all about books. One topic that is not an insect or bug, and one topic that is your insect or bug. To finish out our science project, you're going to write your can, have, are chart, and then an all about book for your insect or bug. And then for writing, you're going to pick, I suggest you pick something that you are an expert about or that you're learning to be responsible for. Challenge if you can tie our learning about being an upstander and speaking up to injustices into your writing this week. That's my challenge for you, my friends. I hope you enjoyed doing this lesson and are working hard and engaging in being part of these really important discussions. Bye.